What is up, guys? I'm headed to the Illinois River. It is currently 66 degrees right now, guys. It is 5:40 a.m. in the morning. And like I said, I'm on the way to the Illinois River. Already got the bait. Two baby crappie and a bunch of bluegill. So I'm going to be using them cut and live. And trying to catch some flathead catfish, guys, or anything that bites. So I'll let you guys know if I catch any fish down at the river, guys. And today is June 6th, guys. So let's see if we can get some. What is up, guys? Out on this sandbar, I do believe. Out here a little deeper. Out here at the river. First fish of the day, guys, off Nightcrawler. He got hooked right in the tongue, so might keep him. It's a white bass. Throw him in the bucket there. And if I get some more later, then we'll keep them. But current time, guys, is 6:40 a.m. Let's get some more. What is up, guys? This is what I came out here for. I'm hooked up with something giant out in the middle of the river on the bottom rig. Nightcrawler. I mean, it is giant catfish. Oh yeah, on Nightcrawler. Hopefully it's a flathead. Gotta turn for me. No. What's up, guys? 7:20 a.m. It is 72 degrees, and whatever that giant fish was, it broke me off way out there. It was probably a giant gar. But I'm just gonna stick to one pole now and see if I can get something. There we go, guys. Just caught dinner, possibly. Just caught a nice sauger on the just a weightless treble hook and Nightcrawler, guys, in the current. Honestly, so already got that white bass, guys. It is 9 a.m. Just caught a nice sauger. Here, let me, one sec, guys. What is up, guys? This thing is ferocious. I just caught my PB sauger, and he choked the treble hook Nightcrawler. Look at this guy, my PB sauger. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful sauger out of the Illinois. I'm gonna keep him. He swallowed the treble hook. Let's see. There we go. I've been out here all day grinding for this guy right here, guys. Let's see how much he weighs, my PB. £1 pound 3 ounces, guys. £1 pound 3 ounces. Solid, good eating sauger, guys. Let's make sure he's long enough to keep real quick. Which I know he is. I think, yeah, they gotta be 14. Make sure you don't get back in. Calm down. 16 inches, guys. My new PB, 16 inches. Let's go. Gonna keep him for dinner, guys. There we go, guys. Beautiful 16-inch sauger I got. My PB. What is up, guys? Third fish of the day. I almost took in my rod, just a little drum. Swallowed the treble hook and night crawler. Switched over to this shallow bridge and it paid off, guys, with that 16-inch sauger. And there's some current over here, that's why he's over here, and rocks, guys.